could stay like this, forever following you.
Oh shit. Wait, that was so fast. What you let him climb?
No, the sky is getting darker. No, don't rain. Well, the sky there's blue, so please no rain. Right.
Sleeping.
Yes.
Bulletproof. Proof, ma'am. Ito, ma'am. Bilis sa'yo, ma'am.
Excited.
Hitting them home runs, I feel like Kobe. I want a dude that still kiss me when he's mad. Type the cotton diamonds, he can miss me with them bags.
So pretty. Just gonna bring back the stuff inside the car. Let me try this. They're in front. Bumpy road. God.
Yeah, and I'm like holding my phone, and you're like, yeah,
Like nice. We're gonna start canyoneering and do some briefing. Hey.
Pahinga naman tayo sa kotse. Nakalimutan lang.
gala.
I know, right? Hey. So bright.
It's bright.
Hey guys. So today we are going to do canyoneering here in Badian Cebu. And yeah, this is the only time I had to do the intro. But here it is. There at the back. Kinda excited but also tired. We actually went to the Osmeña Peak first, and that will be on the other vlog. I'm not sure if it's gonna come before or after this, so go check out the list down below. And yeah, I'll check up with you later. I'm tired. We made it down to start.
Oh my god, my face.
Right? So sweaty.
What the hell?
Too much, it's too tiring. Oh my god. So we're gonna go down there, we're gonna start. Probably won't be vlogging from now, so see you later and enjoy. hike is done, so how are you feeling, Kate? Oh shit! Balangers.
Hello.
Hello!
Hello. Gotta take a picture of nature.
So pretty though.
So the hike is done.
I look like sweat.
We all
I'm
look
eating
like
wild
shit.
honey. So good. You want to see?
What the fuck is that?
Honeycomb.
It's her birthday. So
I'm so tired!
it's your birthday. You gotta party like it's your birthday. Hey, hey. One more time. How do you feel about the hike, Kate? What the fuck happened?
That's my answer.
That's how you feel about the hike?
Yes.
Yeah, we're hiking right now. It's not the flat ground, Kuya.
I know, right?
It's not fresh then.
Let us sleep.
And we out. Ganun lang, we out. She's gonna put this in her vlog.
Boy. Oh, okay, sure.
Yeah, put it in your vlog. Ganun nga. Put it in her vlog.
We said.
There.
Hey, it's Kate from the future. I just wanted to say a little bit more about the canyoneering that we did. I didn't get to mention this because during that time we were really tired and I just couldn't think straight. But yeah, I booked the same agency as the trip for OSLOB on the first day. If you want more details about our whole itinerary on which agency, how much, basically everything about the tours, I'm going to link down in the description my blog post about the Cebu beginner guide. So just like for our guide in OSLOB, our guide during the canyoneering, Mr. Frederick was actually very helpful. He was very nice. So Mr. Frederick took the liberty to get my camera and he said that he would do all the filming, do all the pictures. We did not tell him what to film and what to take photos of, but let me just say I was shook. I was really shook. It's like I took a day off from vlogging thanks to our guide. So yeah, if ever you do the canyoneering, maybe try asking for him. It's actually very helpful. Again, all the details will be in the description down below, so go check that out. Let's go back to the canyoneering.
So do your shit. I don't know your bullshit. You're in Kawasan Falls. Falls. So there's the Kawasan Falls. And there. Here's truth or dare. And
Wow, amazing. Oh my god. So leave a like.
leave a like, share, and subscribe
Wow.
to this channel.
And
Happy birthday, Kate.
no.
Hit the thumbs up.
I don't doing? What are you? What? Mga noob.